This week, we are focusing on words that can be commonly misspelled. We are also introducing some interesting words to expand children's vocabulary. Word number 1 is cannon. A cannon is a large heavy piece of gun that fires from a tank. It is heavily used in the 1800s during the wars. A cannon can cause a massive destruction. Word number 2 is wheel. A wheel is a round object that is normally found on a machine or a vehicle such as a car. When wheels are added to a machine, they allow the vehicle to roll and move. All cars have wheels. Word number 3 is steer. The word steer has two meanings. Firstly, to steer a car means to control the movement of a car. This is why you use a steering wheel to control where you want your car to go. Also, a steer is another name for bullock. Word number 4 is diarrhea. If you have diarrhea, it means that your poo will be in a liquid form. This is also when you have a stomach pain. The spelling of this word can be very tricky. Many people have difficulties spelling this word. Break the word up as diarrhoea. Don't forget the letters H and O in diarrhea. Word number 5 is ocean. Ocean is another word for sea. Our ocean is made up of large amount of water, and many marine animals live in the ocean, including crabs. This is why there is the letter C in the word ocean. Word number 6 is volcano. A volcano is a mountain that has a crater which allows hot lava to erupt from the Earth's crust. For example, the Hawaiian Islands are made up of volcanoes. The lava from volcanoes are super hot. It can melt anything that goes in. Make sure you stay far away from the lava. Word number 7 is hamburger. A hamburger is made out of minced beef served in a bread roll. You can buy a hamburger from McDonald's and Hungry Jack's. The word hamburger is a compound word. Can you see the words ham and burger? Word number 8 is solve. To solve a math question means to find an answer. What is 4 plus 5? The answer is 9. I have just solved the question. Word number 9 is blurting. When you blurt, it means that you say something suddenly without careful consideration. For example, if you accidentally blurt your best friend's secrets out, it means that you have just told everyone her secret without realizing. Word number 10 is furious. Furious means extremely angry. If you are being naughty at home, your parents will get furious. You might even get grounded by them. Word number 11 is exhausted. Exhausted means very tired. When your parents return home from work, they will be exhausted. That's when they fall on the couch and just want to sleep. Don't forget the letter H in the word exhausted. Word number 12 is complicated. A complicated problem is hard to solve as it's very confusing and tricky. A complicated situation is not easily resolved. Another word for complicated is difficult. Word number 13 is petrified. Another word for petrified is terrified or scared. If you see a ghost in the middle of the night, you will be petrified. Often, if you're petrified, you are unable to move your body because you are in shock. Word number 14 is opaque. Opaque means not be able to be seen through. It's often cloudy or blurred. Opaque is opposite of clear. For example, the window was made of opaque glass so that the inside of the house could not be seen. Word number 15 is absorb. A sponge can absorb water. This means it can suck up the water into the sponge. Also, if you're absorbed into a book, it means that it has taken your interest greatly. Word number 16 is scientist. A scientist is a person who studies or has an expert knowledge in science. This could relate to chemistry, physics, or biology. Don't forget the letter C in the word scientist. Word number 17 is stealthy. Stealthy is the synonym for furtive and secretive. For example, last night I heard stealthy footsteps in the kitchen and I caught baby William stealing cookies. Can you see the word steal in stealthy? Ninja turtles are also stealthy as they move around secretly. Word number 18 is astronaut. An astronaut is a person who is trained to travel in a spacecraft. An astronaut wears a spacesuit and explores the universe. Break the word astronaut into 3 parts to help you remember the spelling. As-tro-naut. Word number 19 is autonomous. Anything that is autonomous has the freedom to act freely and independently. For example, engineers have invented autonomous cars. This means these cars can drive by themselves automatically without any humans controlling them. Can you see the word auto in autonomous? Word number 20 is outwitted. When you outwit an opponent, you outsmart them. For example, a hacker can be outwitted when you install an antivirus on your computer. This is why the word out is in the word outwitted, as we need to kick the hackers out by outsmarting them. Word number 21 is resplendent. The word resplendent means attractive and spectacular. For example, Vivid Sydney has resplendent light shows. Rich, colourful lights will lit up the whole Sydney and become a breathtaking sight. Word number 22 is dull. Anything that is dull is uninteresting, boring, and colourless. A rainy day is usually dull as the sky is grey and you can't go out because it's wet. Word number 23 is transparent. Another word for transparent is clear or see-through. Glasses that people wear are transparent as light can pass through so people can see. Word number 24 is luggage. When you travel overseas, you need to carry a luggage so it can hold your clothes and personal items. The word luggage has the word lug, which means carry. Don't forget there are 3 G in the word luggage. Word number 25 is mistake. When you made a mistake, it means that you made an error. For example, 1 plus 1 equals 3. Oops, this was a mistake. The correction was 1 plus 1 equals 2. Word number 26 is relaxed. You are relaxed when you're lying down and having a rest. Your mum might like to get a facial done on a weekly basis to help her relax. Do you know the word lax in relax means to let your muscle rest and gain more energy? Word number 27 is precise. Another word for precise is exact or accurate. If you're making an outfit for yourself, you need to make sure that the measurement is precise. Otherwise, the outfit might be too big or too small. Word number 28 is answer. Which state do people in Sydney or live in? The answer is New South Wales. Its abbreviation is NSW. Can you see NSW in the word answer? Word number 29 is patient. A patient can be a person who is receiving medical treatment. The word patient can also mean to slow down a task so it can be completed properly. Are you a patient person or do you rush through your work? Word number 30 is appealing. Appealing is another word for likable or attractive. Girls put makeup on to have an appealing look. Can you see the word apple in appealing? This brings to the end of our spelling list 17. Keep practicing and good luck in your spelling test.